Hey there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you're doing fine. In today's video, we're gonna show you how you can connect your Facebook shop to our website. So let's get started. So first we will go on this our store page on Facebook. This is our store page. It is called Majestic Clothes Store. You can have a look. We are scrolling down, and this is we want to connect with our website. This is our website, and this is our shop page. You can see all the products are added here, and these are the listings which we want to connect with the Facebook shop, and all these listings will be fetched into the Facebook shop. You can see everything, the title, description, prices, the images of the listings, everything will be fetched and moved on to the Facebook shop, and it will be connected. Okay, so I will click the logo and get back to the home page, and then we will go on dashboard. From here we need to add a plugin. We will go to the plugin section and click add new, and then we're gonna search a keyword here which is Facebook. Okay, I'm tapping it, and then we will hit the enter button, and after clicking enter, this will appear up in front of you, the Facebook for WooCommerce. We have to install it. You can see its active installation, its rating. It is also compatible with my WordPress version. And now I'm gonna click activate button. After clicking activate, it will redirect me to this page. Here I will simply need to search my plugin, and this plugin will appear up. So I need to configure some basic settings, so I will click the configure button, and from here I will click the get started. Here you can see grow your business on Facebook. Okay, so it will redirect me to this page, and I need to allow this, and I will click continue Shahir Zafar. Then we're gonna see this. What are the options? Find new customer, get valuable insights, get more website purchases. Okay, that's perfectly fine. That's what we're looking for. Okay, we will press the continue, and now we will select the business address, business manager, and business email. And okay, I'm selecting this as a business manager, and this page here, the Majestic Clothes Store. Okay, continue. Uh, if you want to add your Instagram profile, you can add it from here. For the time I'm skipping it. This is the catalog we want to select. I have three options right now, and if you want to create new, you can create a new catalog also from here, and you can rename it from here very easily. So I'm renaming it Amal of USA Products Catalog. Continue. Then I will click the continue again. So these are the all ad accounts. If you want to create a new ad account, you can click here and create a new one, but I'm using the old one and clicking continue button. And these are the pixels. If you want to create new, you can go here and create new and rename them very easily, and then we'll click the continue button, and then we'll select this one and click the continue, and then we will just see what thing. Okay, this is the Instagram profile. If you want to add an Instagram profile, you can simply click here and put your login credentials and click login. You will be redirected, and your Instagram profile will be added. For the time I'm not doing that. Okay, now we will continue this. You can see all the information here. If you see the customer information parameters. Okay, let's see what is it. Email, gender. Okay, these are all the applications that we have allowed: the date of birth, phone number, first and last name, city, state, zip code, and country, gender, email. Okay, so let's continue. And these are some. Okay, these are some requirements we need to allow them, and it is already enabled. So you can enable this if they are not enabled in your side. So mine are already enabled. So okay, we will click next. Linking WooCommerce integration to Facebook. It is loading and taking some time. We will wait for a while. Okay, you're all set, and we will click the done. Okay, so you just authenticated Facebook. Would you like to redirect to you? Okay, that's my site. Redirect me. It will redirect me to my site, and this is taking. Okay, now I'm on my dashboard, and here is the Facebook plugin and settings. All the settings, the reach, the post engagement, the link clicks, the purchases. All the options are available here. The recent ads. Okay, so this is the product sync area. From here we can sync our products, and this is enable product sync. Whenever we add a product in our website, it will automatically sync to our Facebook. Okay, this is the product set. If you want to create a new product set, you can name it here. The description, WC product categories. Now the messenger, you can have a look on the settings. The messenger settings, enable and customize Facebook Messenger on your store if you want to, and we will click the save changes. Then the connection settings, we will have a look what we got here, and these are the connection setting, the page, pixels, catalog, business manager. Okay, these are the IDs we have connected already with the Facebook, and which we did before. Okay, so we will gonna click enter, and here you can see in our commerce manager in Meta there are 84 products listed which were listed on our website. All the listings are fetched and are embedded on our Facebook shop, so you can see its availability in stock are 84, gender are not customized yet, but condition new condition, products are 84, all products are new condition. You can see its brand, only one brand like Mall of USA is existing. Price range, you can set the price range if you want from fair here. So let's do a basic setting. We will go on products and all products. From here we will do a bulk action, and from here we will simply include in Facebook sync and apply. So the products we have selected, and the selected products will be synchronized in the Facebook shop easily. So you can see, so here was the video. We have easily connected the Facebook shop to a website. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.